ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day is in effect for tonight, tomorrow, into early Sunday morning for the threat of strong to severe storms that could bring flash flooding, potentially some damaging winds, hail, and an isolated tornado. Both of those threats on the table into the next 2 days. We have a flash flood watch here for some of our northern counties that includes Brunswick, Macon, Moberly, and Paris until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. There's a possibility that could get extended with more rain in the forecast on Saturday. I'm tracking a warm front that's been slowly lifting north across the area, kind of pushing out some of the clouds and bringing in some warmer temperatures today. Showers and strong storms are expected to develop along that boundary later tonight, likely after around 9 or 10 o'clock, and then continue to fill in from west and from the north into the rest of the night. Here's what that looks like hour by hour. Some of those isolated storms will pose a hail and heavy rain threat as well as some damaging winds. With some of those, we'll continue to see isolated storms up until about 1 or 2 a.m. and after that, we'll take over with a flooding threat with heavy rain expected for areas north of I-70. Also watching for some isolated damaging wind gusts. We get a bit of a break by late morning. There's a possibility we could see another round develop, especially if that gap between the morning and afternoon is a little bit longer. The atmosphere can recharge here and we'll have a chance of seeing some stronger storms again after around 3 or 4 o'clock. That continues to slide to the southeast throughout the evening, diminishing our severe weather threat by around 10 or 11 o'clock, but we'll still have the threat of damaging winds and flooding with that second round. Now by Sunday, we'll still have showers and storms around, but I'm not expecting a severe weather threat. That will be confined to tonight and again for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Here's the severe weather breakdown for the rest of tonight. I'm expecting strong winds up to 60 or 70 miles per hour and the threat of flash flooding to be my main concerns, but we'll still have the possibility of 1-inch hail and an isolated tornado. Here's the severe weather threat for tomorrow. It includes much of mid-Missouri. Best threat is likely going to stay along and south of I-70. That's where we have the possibility of seeing some strong wind gusts and some heavy rainfall. Here's the rain tracker for the weekend. I'm expecting most areas to be around 2 to 4 inches, especially for areas north of Highway 50. We could see some isolated higher amounts in our northern counties through the weekend. Rain continues into Sunday and Monday. Our weather alert day will expire by late morning on Sunday, but the rain continues with a chance for showers and storms into Monday. It will be a little cooler too, with highs in the upper 70s on Sunday and Monday. Next week, we start to warm things up a little bit more, back to near normal in the upper 80s, but we'll see increasing chances of rain by the end of the week.